Adjective noun collocations are pairs of words that often go together naturally in English. These pairs help make your speaking and writing sound fluent and clear. Examples include heavy rain, strong wind, and deep sleep. Learning these common combinations will help you express your ideas better. Collocations are words that naturally go together in English speech and writing. They create common expressions that native speakers use every day. For example, we say cold water, bright light, or fresh air. These combinations help your English sound more natural and easy to understand. Here are some common adjective noun collocations you can use. Examples include cold water, bright light, empty bottle, fresh air, loud noise, strong belief, deep concern, high importance, great effort, and clear understanding. These combinations are natural and make your sentences more vivid and clear. Many collocations relate to weather and nature. Examples are heavy rain, strong wind, freezing cold, torrential rain, thick fog, and scorching sun. Using these words together can help you describe the weather more accurately and naturally. Adjective noun collocations are also common with food words. Examples include fresh fruit, hot soup, sweet dessert, spicy food, cooked meal, and healthy snack. These combinations are used often and sound natural in conversations about food. When talking about travel, certain collocations come up frequently. Some examples are long journey, business trip, round trip, direct flight, heavy traffic, and comfortable seat. Using these common pairs will help you talk about travel clearly and fluently. Family-related collocations describe different types of families or family qualities. Examples include close-knit family, nuclear family, extended family, dysfunctional family, loving family, and supportive family. These combinations make it easier to talk about family relationships naturally. In education, adjective noun collocations are useful to describe types of learning. Examples include higher education, formal education, basic education, private education, good education, and adult education. Using these collocations helps express ideas clearly about schooling and learning. Here are some more useful adjective noun collocations to improve your English. Examples include bright idea, strong argument, heavy traffic, deep trouble, rapid growth, serious problem, cold weather, rich flavor, fresh start, and soft voice. These words naturally go together and support clear communication. Practice these natural combinations every day. Listen to native speakers and notice how they use these pairs. Read English books and articles to see collocations in context. Use them in your conversations to sound more natural. Regular review helps you remember and use collocations confidently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.